Turn your social savvy into profit with zero cash out. I'm revealing how on Stakecut. Welcome to Digital Earnings Expert, where we unlock the potential of your online income. Stay tuned till the end for insights that will not just enlighten, but give you the edge in your affiliate endeavors. Let's dive in. Affiliate marketing transcends simple buzz. It's a solid avenue for generating income online. It's all about advocating for products and earning a commission with each purchase made through your link. The real art is in selecting products that not only interest you, but also meet the needs of your audience. Creating a synergy that promotes authentic and effective endorsements. With Stakecut, you're at the vanguard where affiliate marketing meets the robustness of blockchain technology. Stakecut demystifies the commission earning process while leveraging the security and transparency that blockchain offers. This means a smoother initiation for newcomers and an expansive new arena for seasoned marketers to explore and dominate. Signing up with Stakecut is a breeze. The platform's intuitive interface takes you through the registration process, helping you set up a profile that resonates with your potential audience. Crafting a profile that underscores your areas of expertise is critical. It's the first impression you make and sets the stage for your affiliate journey. Delving into Stakecut's ecosystem can give your affiliate marketing activities a significant boost. Acquaintance with its interface, utilities, and analytics is pivotal to fine-tuning your approach. The only downside? It demands an investment of your time to master, but this knowledge becomes a powerful asset in your marketing arsenal. Choosing the right product to promote on Stakecut is crucial. The platform's variety allows you to pick from an array of options, offering the chance to find the perfect match for your audience. The challenge lies in discerning which products will resonate most, balancing your personal interest with market demand. Obtaining your Stakecut affiliate link marks the commencement of your promotional activities. This unique link is your bread and butter, tracking sales and securing your commissions. The great part is its transparency, yet a potential pitfall is the reliance on accurate tracking. Should it fail, it could impact your earnings. Stakecut's real-time analytics offer a dynamic view of your campaign's success, allowing for agile adjustments and strategy pivots. While this insight is advantageous for informed decision-making, newcomers might find the influx of data daunting without proper analysis. A deep understanding of your audience is indispensable. Comprehending the motivations behind purchases enables you to tailor your offerings effectively. The challenge? It requires diligent research and sometimes a bit of trial and error to truly grasp your audience's desires and how to fulfill them. Content is the lifeblood of affiliate marketing. It's not enough to just disseminate links. Your content must deliver value, positioning the shared links within a context that engages and informs your audience. The catch is that creating compelling content is time-intensive and demands a wellspring of creativity. Maintaining a consistent presence on social media is vital. It keeps your audience engaged and your affiliate offerings at the forefront of their minds. The flip side is the risk of content oversaturation, which can lead to audience disengagement. Striking the right balance between promotion and value is key. Email marketing offers a direct line to your audience, ideal for promoting your Stakecut affiliate link. It's a nuanced art, crafting emails that convert without being intrusive or spammy. It takes finesse to build a list and maintain engagement without crossing boundaries. SEO is the beacon that guides users to your content through the crowded digital sea. Ranking higher in search results translates to more visibility and clicks. The complexity of SEO lies in its ever-changing nature and the need to stay current on best practices. Stakecut's bounty program incentivizes affiliates to go the extra mile. Not only do you share your link, but you also engage in tasks that contribute to the platform's growth. It's additional work, but it comes with the promise of extra rewards. Enjoying the insights? Cement your learning curve. Subscribe, click the like as your seal of approval, and ring the bell for a steady stream of knowledge. Ready to deepen your understanding? Let's plunge back in. Endurance is a core tenet of affiliate marketing. It's about the marathon, not the sprint. Success often comes gradually, and the key is to maintain steady progress without losing heart when immediate results seem elusive. Integration into the Stakecut community brings forth opportunities for learning and support, creating a network that can be instrumental in your marketing endeavors. Active participation is the gateway to reaping the full benefits of this community. The Learning Center on Stakecut is your information hub. It's stocked with guides, tutorials, and insights, all designed to shorten the learning curve. While it's an invaluable resource, it requires your initiative to explore and absorb the knowledge available. Staying informed about the latest in affiliate marketing is non-negotiable. The landscape is in constant flux, and staying updated is crucial to maintaining a competitive edge. Failing to keep pace can lead to missed opportunities and outdated strategies. Stakecut's user-centric design streamlines your marketing process from setup to commission withdrawal. While the ease of use is a significant perk, it's important to not become overly dependent on the platform and continue to hone your independent marketing skills. The platform's transparent payout system allows you to monitor your earnings in real time. The clarity is reassuring, but it's important to be mindful of any payout thresholds that might delay your access to the earned income. Stakecut prioritizes security, ensuring your marketing is backed by a robust framework that safeguards your data. While this provides a sense of security, it's also a reminder to stay vigilant about the ever-present risks in the digital space. Affiliate marketing on Stakecut is an exercise in relationship building as much as it is in sales. The focus is on cultivating trust and rapport with your audience, often prioritizing long-term relationships over immediate profits. Leveraging the tools and resources Stakecut offers sets the stage for success. The platform provides the foundation, but it's your strategic use of these tools and your proactive efforts that will define your achievements. Venturing into new territories with Stakecut can be daunting, but it's a fertile ground for growth. It's through exploration and calculated risks that you can discover the strategies and products that resonate most with your audience and lead to success. Before stepping into the realm of exploration and risk-taking, it's crucial to understand the importance of adaptability in affiliate marketing. The ability to adjust your strategies in response to audience feedback and market trends is what keeps your campaigns relevant and effective. An often overlooked aspect of affiliate marketing is the power of storytelling. Weaving narratives around the products you promote can enhance engagement and provide a more compelling reason for your audience to follow your affiliate links. Finally, remember that in the dynamic world of affiliate marketing, innovation is key. Continually experimenting with new approaches and refining your tactics will keep you ahead of the curve and turn your Stakecut venture into a thriving source of income. Embark on the ultimate digital journey. Seize your free ebook, The Key to Unlocking the Most Effective Online Business Strategies, available today. But the voyage doesn't end with the last page. Following the ebook, you're invited to conquer a comprehensive 15-day challenge, thoughtfully plotted for your ascent in e-commerce. Steered by the expertise of digital connoisseurs, breakthrough tactics, and a premium toolkit, your pathway to online prowess is imminent. Ready for liftoff? Launch into action. Click the link in the description promptly and carve your name in the annals of digital entrepreneurship. Signing off from today's e-earning deep dive, submerged with the method, smooth swimming, or tides to tackle. Cast your experiences in the comments. Did today's financial deep sea exploration bring treasures to the surface? Click like to signal a successful dive. Thirsty for more oceanic wealth wisdom? Subscribe and sound the bell for the dive alarm, ensuring you're ready for the next plunge. Before you dock, notice that video on the sonar? It's a beacon to deeper financial reefs. Click, and let's navigate the lucrative depths together. Until our next subaqueous adventure.